Okay guys, so regarding this particular project right here, there's been a lot of new updates which I think I need to talk about right here so that you people will also get to know about it, because I believe a lot of you don't really check on this airdrop. But I think this airdrop right here is very nice, though I'm not putting my hopes on it. I'm only mining it for the sake of mining token, and also because it is free. All right, if they are asking us to pay anything for the mining, I'm definitely not going to be mining it, but I'm mining it because it's free. So there's been a lot of new updates which I think I need to talk about right here. So to get started with, when you come over here to quest, you get to see that there have been a lot of new tasks which you can actually go ahead to complete and earn your point, and your 69 points, 67 points. And when you come over here to leadership, you can see the leadership keep growing, and of course you get to see your level on the chart. You can see currently this is me right here. I'm currently on 55,364 person right here. But let's go to the main thing. Coming over here to profile, you can see we have what we call fishing. Now I haven't tried it out before. I'm going to be trying it out right now. When I click on it, they are going to be opening this up, and from here, I think these are what you can actually win right here. First of all, it is called 6-7 fishing, a new 6-7 fishing event where users can catch fish and win prizes with every cast. Each new cast costs 1 worm. Okay, now these are the reward. The first reward is 25,000 6-7 points, and we also have 67,000 6-7 token, I guess. And we have the third one right here to be 670 USDT, and we have this one, you get this NFT Pepe, and you also have this one finally, $5,000 as a reward. So they are not, all these things are not moving me. So I think they have taken away the basketball that we normally throw, and this is actually a new introduction, and we are going to be trying it out together. Now come on over here to daily. You can see I think during golden hour you have a higher chance of catching the legendary golden fish. Okay, I think the golden hour comes after 36 minutes and 20 seconds. That's what it is. And of course, these are the things you can actually do to get even more worm, because you can only try out the fishing if you have worm. First, if you invite 3 people daily, you get 1 worm. If you invite 10 people daily, you get another worm. If you hold 67 token, you get 1 worm daily. And if you hold 67 token, you get 1 daily. And if you hold 670 69 token, you get 2 worms daily. And of course, these ones right here are secret. Okay, coming over here to history, there's nothing to show here. So let's try it out, since automatically we have 1 worm to try. Okay, when I click on start fishing right now, let's see. I think as usual, I will click on it, then okay, it will throw. Let's see what it's gonna catch for us. I will bring it up like this. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got right here. Okay, I think we just got something right here. You can see snack. This is what we got. It's currently 0.1 kilogram, and I think it ended a reward right here, 75,067 token. Okay, so I will click on finish. I think we are good to go. So that is what we got right there. So there's nothing really interesting right here that we got. We only got just something very common. And when you come over here to history, I think this is it. This is what we just got right now. And right now, for me to be able to do it again, I need to complete any of these tasks right here to be able to do it. Okay, now when I refresh this, you can see there's nothing to show for. Let's go back like this. So going back, you can see my balance has also increased, and right now this is just the new thing. Now what do I have to say about this? What I have to say about this is that they are just trying to make the whole thing to be very active. People are already getting tired of the basketball, and right now they have introduced fishing, but I still believe that it still uses the same mechanism. The mechanism I'm talking about is that you don't determine what you get. It is not by luck, it is not by how good you are or how God wants to help you, whatever. It is simply how they program it. So in case you do this fishing and you didn't get anything, do not panic, do not think you are not lucky. It is just how they have programmed it. Of course, if it's by luck, definitely they are going to be losing a lot, because a lot of people are going to be very lucky. And right now, as always, I'm participating on this airdrop because it is totally free. I've never seen them ask the community for anything. Immediately they do that, I'm still going to be making a video asking you guys to run away, because airdrop can be very risky, and I'm trying my possible best to protect my community from getting into such risky airdrop that we end up taking from them. So once the airdrop is free, we are participating on this. If you notice on Web3 recently, airdrop era is coming back. Airdrop is beginning to trend again, and that was after the Moonbox airdrop did something for a lot of people, though Nigerians were actually excluded. So I'm going to be stopping here right now as regards the 6-7 airdrop. All right, so if any new update comes up, I'm still going to be updating you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll be stopping here for now.